Hey guys, Super Dolphin here, and today we're going to be continuing our Burning Shadows booster box. Today we're going to be opening 9 more. So, that being said, let's get into it. So, let's start with this pack. Still hoping for that rainbow Charizard. See, it is a green code. There you go. See, got a Stuffle, a Pansage, Krogunk, Pikachu, Panpour, a reverse is Wick, and our rare is an Araquanid. We also have a Fighting Energy, Noctowl, Dusclops, and a Metapod. It's not a great first pack, but still got 8 more to go. Pack number 2. If I can get it open. Got it. It is another green code. There you go, guys. What do we got? Got a Noibat, an Alolan Grimer, a Riolu, Cutiefly, Dewpider. Our reverse is a Ledian. I actually really like how that looks. It looks really happy. Our rare is a Crabominable. Got a Steel Energy, another Noctowl, Electabuzz, and Mount Lanakila. Alright, pack 3, guys. Come on, white code. It is another green code. There you go. Let's see, we got an Esper, Pansage, Sock, Crabrawler, Meowth. Our reverse is a Dusknoir. Looks pretty cool. Our rare is a Shiinotic. We got a Dark Energy, a Buffaloant, an Electric, and a Simisage. Just keep on rolling. It is another green code. There you go. Okay, so far I've not gotten a single white code. Venipede, Sneasel, Alolan Vulpix, Horsey. Our reverse is a Passimian fighting Lucario. And our rare is a Passimian fighting Lucario. Got a Fire Energy, an Electric, a Buffaloant, and a Simipour. 5 more packs, guys. Come on, come on. It is a white code. There you go. Got a Fairy Energy, Mount Lanakila, got Wick, Escape Rope, Pansear, Charmander in the Rain, Alolan Rattata, Porygon, Panpour. Our reverse is a Simipour, and on the end, a Holo Gyarados. Huh. That looks pretty nice, actually. Just gonna sleeve that up. Put that here. Alright, holo pack. Will it be another white code or another green code? It is another green code. There you go. Got a Tynamo, Crabrawler, an Inkay, a Lediba, Caterpie. Our reverse is an Alolan Rattata, and our rare is an Electivire. Got a Thunder Energy, Metapod, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, and a Rhydon. So far we've only gotten a holo. It's probably not that good. Just keep on going. There's another green code. There you go. Got a Wimpod, Meowth, Magikarp, Krogunk, Pikachu. Our reverse is an Azumarill. And our rare is a Lycanroc. Got a Leaf Energy, Simipour, Solrock, and a Wishful Baton. Got 2 more packs, guys. If I can get it open. Yep, got it. It is a white code. There you go. Come on, Rainbow Charizard. Got a Steel Energy. Got a Porygon 2. Got a Metapod, Lana, Riolu, Cutiefly, Tynamo, Duskull, Inkay. Our reverse is a Butterfree. And on the end, a Darkrai GX. Finally, something. Look at that. Huh. Maybe it's the Darkrai in the background helping us out. That is nice. Can put that there. And the last pack. Got it. It is another white code. There you go. Got a Water Energy, Noctowl, Electabuzz, Mountline Aquila, Grimer, Sneasel, Charmander, Crabrawler, Meowth. Our reverse is Gyarados, and on the end, a Necrozma Full Art. Okay, these last 2 packs redeemed this video, so I'm okay with that. Wow, look at that. That is cool. Well guys, to recap, we got Holo Gyarados, a Full Art Necrozma GX, and a Darkrai GX. 2 out of 9, not that great, but these look really cool. Not sure what the worth is, but I'll find out later. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.